Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to start a Wix dropshipping business. If you've been thinking about launching an online store without holding inventory, dropshipping through Wix is a fantastic way to get started. And if you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your Wix dashboard. This is your command center for managing everything related to your website and online store. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a navigation menu with various options. Go ahead and click on Catalog. This is where you'll manage all your products and inventory settings. When you click on it, a drop-down selection will appear with several choices. From this drop-down menu, locate dropshipping products and click on it. This is the gateway to setting up your entire dropshipping operation. Now, you'll be taken to the dropshipping page. Take a moment to scroll down until you see the section labeled Dropshipping Products. This is where the magic happens and where you can officially begin your dropshipping journey with Wix. However, before you dive in and start adding products to your store, it's really important that you understand how the process works and what the terms are. You'll notice a button that says how it works right beside the Add Products button. Go ahead and click on that. This guide is essential because it walks you through the entire dropshipping model, explains your responsibilities as a seller, and clarifies what your dropshipping provider will handle for you. Once you click on how it works, you'll be presented with a step-by-step guide. Read through each page carefully to make sure you understand the workflow, the fulfillment process, and any potential fees or policies involved. After you've read through everything, simply click Next to move through the guide. Take your time here, there's no rush. Understanding these details upfront will save you from confusion or issues down the road. When you've finished going through the guide and feel confident about moving forward, you're ready to add products. Click on the Add Products button. These products will automatically be added to your Wix store page, and they'll be fulfilled through a service called Modelist. Modelist is a dropshipping platform that connects you with suppliers, so you don't have to worry about inventory or shipping. They handle all of that for you. A prompt will appear asking you to agree to the terms. If everything looks good and you're ready to proceed, click on Add Products again. At this point, Modelist will be automatically installed for you as your dropshipping provider, and your store will be set up to start selling. And that's it, you've successfully set up your Wix dropshipping business and are ready to start adding products and making sales. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.